We are always looking for ways to more effectively assess our students. Mastery Connect is an assessment platform designed to do just that. It collects and presents data in a way that will help you more easily diagnose your students' learning gaps. You can then more quickly move to address those gaps, which will greatly benefit your students. Mastery Connect integrates with Canvas. Assessments created in Mastery Connect are automatically imported into your Canvas course. The data from each assessment is also accessible through Canvas and available as soon as your students complete the assignment. It can be used for an end-of-unit assessment as well as exit tickets, check-in assessments, and pre-test to supply you with data as you move throughout the grading period. Mastery Connect has a number of features that make it a great choice for our district. It has 26 different question types built into the program that you can choose from to create with. Once a question type is chosen, a wizard will display to walk you through the creation process. The question types available correlate very well with the new STAR Online question types. A comparison of STAR question types and Mastery Connect options has already been created and will be provided to you. Along with being able to create questions, an item bank has been purchased that provides thousands of questions already created to address many standards across the course subjects. They can be added to an assessment you create with just a few clicks. A data tracker will be created for each of your Canvas courses that will collect data from any assessment you give. This tracker displays each standard for that subject and provides a color-coded view to quickly determine how your students are doing with just a glance. It also provides reports that allow you to dig more deeply into your class as a whole or individual students. As mentioned before, it has great integration with Canvas. In fact, it is owned by Instructure, which also owns Canvas. As you add an assessment to your data tracker in Mastery Connect, the assessment is automatically imported into Canvas as an unpublished assignment. You can then add it to a module and assign it to your students. Your students do not have to go to any other program. They click on the assessment in the module and begin. Rostering in Mastery Connect is automatically updated as it also talks to Skyward. Once your tracker is created and the connection is made, there will be no need for you to update your roster throughout the year. Along with creating your own assessments, you have the ability in Mastery Connect to search for assessments that have already been created from those in your school, our district, or around the world. You can take an assessment you find in Mastery Connect community and either add it directly to your tracker or clone the assessment and make any changes to it you deem necessary. You can then add it to your tracker, and that assessment will now live in your assessment area for you to use again. As you can see, Mastery Connect has a lot to offer. Training will be provided to you in 4 phases so that you have time to absorb what you are learning. Phase 1 will provide you with an overview of the program. It will also share with you the student experience so you can see what your students will see. You will take a look at the different question types that are available and see how they correlate with the STAR Online questions. We will then look at how a tracker is created and provide resources for you to create your trackers within your Canvas courses. Finally, you will see an overview of the item bank that has been purchased so that you can access it and take a closer look at the types of questions they have available for you. In Phase 2, we will get into the nitty-gritty of how you can create questions in your own teacher bank. You will then turn our focus to creating assessments, both document-based, using an assessment file you have created or used in the past, and an item bank assessment using questions you have created or questions from the purchased item bank. Phase 3 will focus on the trackers and Canvas. You will see how you add an assessment to a tracker. We will also take a look at how you can clone an assessment and make it your own. Mastery Connect has the ability to add tools such as a highlighter, ruler, or notepad to an assessment. We will walk through that process as well as how to provide text-to-speech as an option to specific students who require that modification. You will then learn how to assign your assessment to a Canvas module. Finally, we will look at some options you as a teacher have available while students are taking the assessment. Phase 4 is all about the data. We will look at the different report options that are available and how you can make that data available to students as well. You will also learn how you can add raw data from outside of Mastery Connect into a tracker so that it can be part of your overall data picture. A number of resources are already available in Level Up that cover all the trainings you will be receiving. This provides you with support as you start implementing Mastery Connect into your classroom activities. We are excited to see what this new tool can do for you. Get ready to see how Canvas and Mastery Connect are better together.